Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sowing some onion seeds and some spring onions. So I've got spring onion Lisbon, a white Lisbon for here, and then I've got some onion that variety which is in this packet. So I'm going to sow them here and then plant them outside later. So basically it just says sow them from this. You can sow spring onions from any time. That is those 600 seeds. That's a packet from last year. So I label them and just gonna sow them just normally. So just keep watching. That was it for today's video. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.